Saving money daily using an app is a practical approach to personal finance management. Here are some effective strategies. Number one, budgeting apps. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget, that's what it stands for. I'll put this all in the description to track your expenses. Set daily spending limits and categorize your expenditures to see where you can cut back. Number two, automate savings. Many apps allow you to automate your savings by rounding up your purchases. For example, if you spend $4.75 on coffee, the app is going to round it up to $5 and transfer the extra 25 cents to your savings account. Number three, Cashback Rewards. Take advantage of cashback apps such as Rakuten or Ibotta. These apps provide rebates on purchases. Again, I'll put it in the description, allowing you to earn money back on everyday expenses. Number four, set savings goals. Use goal-setting features in savings apps to encourage daily savings. Whether it's a vacation or an emergency fund, having a visual goal can motivate you to save more consistently. Number five, track discounts and coupons. So basically, apps like Honey or Retail Me Not can help you find discounts and coupons for daily purchases, ensuring you spend less and save more. By consistently using these strategies, you can make saving money a daily habit.